Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jason Trong. This channel is titled DIY with Jason, and part of the meaning of that name is this channel is going to be devoted to taking you guys along my journey of building my project cars and hopefully future project cars on the channel, and just showing you guys like everything I learned along the way, all the setbacks and all the successes, and kind of like the reality of building a project car. A little about myself. I'm 23 years old. I just graduated from college, and I finally have enough free time along with money to invest into my hobbies. Yeah, this YouTube channel is going to start off with my first build series for my 1994 Honda Civic EG hatchback. This clip was filmed back in 2021 when I first bought the car with my brother. We bought this car for around $2,800 at the time, and it was honestly in really good condition. The motor was really healthy, as you can see from the video. You know, everything looks super clean. The engine bay was really nice. It ran really good and never skipped a beat. The only issue we did have with this engine was an idle issue that honestly, like at the time with my little experience, I was trying to fix it, and the reality of it, I could never get it running good. So it was just the ICV. Every time we plugged it in, the idle would bounce up and down, so most of the time we drove it unplugged. And yeah, I remember at the time I was super excited when we bought this car. Just you know, being a young guy, me and my brother were like, let's pull the trigger on this. Let's get this car and just learn everything we can and build a cool car. At the time we didn't really have a lot of time, and along with not a lot of money, so the project car sat, and we just drove it, you know, to the gym, drove around town. Yeah, and just the car sat. So after that, the car sat around like 3 years, so 2021, and then I started working on the car last December. So 2023, December 2023 is when I started working on the car. So yeah, this video is going to be a little throwback to when we first bought the car, our reactions to when we bought the car, and just a fun little video. It's pretty fun to watch. But yeah, this is the first video kicking off the YouTube channel, and I hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna jump back to 2021 when me and my brother bought this car.
What the hell is that, bro? That's called whiskey throttle, bro. There's so much torque. Once you press it down, he's going on and on, bro. Look at that VTEC, man. You know what I'm saying, bro? Oh my god. Get a little downshift on that. Oh! Dude, this is so sick, bro. Oh, yeah. Look at this goofball. Broke the hell out of the next bro. Alright. Poker face on, bro. Getting back to the owner, bro. Poker face. Shout man, get the little Timo. Give me some. Yeah, bro! Yeah, bro! Yeah, man! Oh, yeah, bro! Fucking mac sauce, bro. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. What? I ain't gonna get what? Yeah. Oh, listen to that music, bro. Oh yeah, man. Stop.
Oh my god, bro. It's too nice, bro.
I kinda wanna buy it.
Let's buy it, dude. Fuck it.
This thing's cool, man. I like the alignment though. Look at right there. Dang, I wasted. Alright, you gonna see if we gonna buy this? Probably not.
The little Honda that could.
Damn, smell that shit.
It's not even that loud.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna head to the AAA right now and just figure out how all this paperwork is gonna go down, and then hopefully we can get it registered. And yeah, man, it's gonna be a new project car on the channel. I'm excited. We're gonna do a lot of things with it, and yeah, man, it's gonna be dope, bro. It's gonna be me and my bro's project car, dude. It's gonna be sick. We're gonna learn a lot. We're gonna do everything on this car, man. Dude, this thing's sweet, man. Oh, look at that thing. The little Honda that could, bro. Yeah. Look at how cool it looks, bro.
All right.
Oh man, I love the look of that thing. Look at that thing. Get an update on you guys. Hopefully we'll be able to buy this car, and yeah, man, it's gonna be a new car on the channel. It's gonna be awesome, and yeah, stay tuned. I cannot stop smiling. Holy, a little EG that could, man. Oh my god, dude, this thing's so awesome. So sick, bro.